viewers, welcome to the channel. I'm Shaina.
And I'm Koil, and in today's video we are going to try a Pinterest video where it was shown how to make stickers at home. So come, let's learn how to make stickers at home, and I hope it will be fun. Also, along with it, we are going to answer all your questions that you gave us on Instagram. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do first is draw beach themed doodles, because that is what I'm recently in love with. So that's what I'm going to draw, and I don't know about Saina, what she is up to.
So I think I will make some animal doodles like this, panda, and a lot cute more animals like this. So now let's draw it. So now let's start the Q&A, and the first question is from the Sorry Shaktiman.
And sorry Shaktiman is Ashma, and her question is, does Darpina know that why she was named Saina? And Darpina is here.
Hi.
She named her Darpina for no actual reason. I mean, we all accepted it, we accepted it, and it's fun to call her Darpina. She gets really annoyed and irritated. So whatever, coming to the question, do you know the answer to it?
No.
She was named Saina because the famous player Saina Nehwal, and me and my our father was like a fan of sports. I mean, we are still fan of sports. We are sports lover, and we follow few of the sports persons, and she was one of them. Her performance was really amazing, and we were so impressed that we thought maybe we should name her Saina, and that is how it happened. I have completed my doodles, and now I will color them. So let's see how it turns out. So now let's go to the second question, and it is from
Minachu.
and her question is, do you make her do errands for you? Sometimes I do. That is what is expected from the older child, but the truth is, it is her who makes me do everything. Like, she is very lazy. She will not drink if she wants to drink water, because she does not want to get out. She will not drink. She will rather stay thirsty. क्या बोले आजकल के बच्चे. She has another question.
Minachu. And the question is, do you bully your sister just because you are older than her?
You answer it. Do I bully you?
Always. Always.
Sometimes I do. That is how it should be. I mean, it's parampara. It's our birthright. So now that our doodles are done, we are going to cut it out with a little space extra on the sides, and then we will do the rest of the process. So let's get it done.
In this step, we are going to be using parchment paper on which we are going to arrange the cutouts. After arranging the cutouts, we will use sellotape on it with adequate space on each side.
Now coming to the fourth question, that is from Rain Sen, and the question is, what are the times when you can't bear your sister? Of course, it is a question for me only, and well, the only thing I struggle with is my space. I don't like many people around me. I mean, I am very friendly person, I am nice and all, but for a little bit, I mean, I'm nice all the time, but I don't want people to be around me. I just like to be alone, because that is how I have grown up. And she came 13 years later. So what do you expect? I mean, she is so clingy. She is always like around me, and just like in my earlier video, I have mentioned that I have never hugged anyone before my college. So it was very weird, and she is totally like, I mean, not cringy, but she's very clingy. I never liked her around me because she was always interfering in my space and she also took my room, so I was little mad at her, but with time I learned to, adjust. Now coming to the last question, and that is from RIBBSR memes. That was very unexpected.
ये दुख काहे खत्म नहीं होता?
ये है क्वेश्चन. ये दुख काहे खत्म नहीं होता है? ये इस क्वेश्चन का जवाब हम में से किसी को नहीं पता है. तुम्हें पता है? ये दुख खत्म नहीं होगा, ऐसे ही चलते रहेगा हमेशा. बस जिंदगी में एक ही मंत्र फॉलो करो, सह लेंगे थोड़ा बस, और फिर ऐसे ही कंटिन्यू करो, हो जाएगा एकदम. यही थे सारे आज के क्वेश्चंस, एंड अभी हम लोग बाकी काम कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद हम आपसे फिर मिलेंगे.
Finally, we have reached to the last step, and now we are going to cut out the stickers, but remember to leave a little bit of space on the sides, and then we will be done.
One, 2, 3, reveal. I really hope you all enjoyed this video because we had so much fun and the stickers turned out so beautiful. You must try it because it's a great time pass, and in this time of pandemic, I think being at home and trying out new crafts is really fun. You should do it with your siblings, your children, whoever. Just enjoy this time, and they are so beautiful that we are totally loving it.
Hope you all like this video. Give it all your love, like, share and subscribe to this channel.
Love you. Bye. Yo. Ready. ক্যামেরায় দেখো।
হ্যাঁ দিদি।
ওপরে দেখা আবার ভালো করে বলো। চিচিয়ে নে, তুই বলে নে আমার। রেডি। Hope you all like this video. Give it all your love.
Hope you all like this video. Give it all your love.
Rate.
Subscribe.
Ready.
Hope you all